So another one that's obviously near and dear for me is, dashboards equals decisions. And when I look at that, I kind of say, well, dashboards for me show the data, but the decisions that are going to be made is coming from the context, whether it's the key performance indicators and giving the ability to drilling into the why of that information that's showing up. So when you're looking at that from that perspective, Anton, how does that kind of resonate with you?
I would add, that it's important that dashboards are meaningful. Okay, we've seen dashboards being done in a number of companies, which are, vanity. They're there. The managing director said he wants them in the beginning of the year. This is what he wants, but nobody's actually seeing them. So to be able to have decisions, we need to make sure that first the dashboards are not, any vanity. Oh, look, I have, and for me to go to how do you say, when I'm with my colleagues, I've got a new system and these are my dashboards to show them off. Yeah, but you're not showing off anything. You need to make sure that they're meaningful. And then, if I can, with those dashboards that I'm getting on viewing, I can question my business from there, which will then lead to real decisions to how I can run my business. Then yes, then that would make sense from where dashboards equals decisions.
Absolutely. And Alan, how's that good for you?
Oh, well, I think Anton's spot on, really, because we've all seen dashboards that are very pretty and deliver nothing. I've seen dashboards that say, oh, look at this. I can see every customer we've ever sold to in the whole of this geographical area. And they're going, and what do you do with it? Oh, nothing. Well, what's the point? So it's got to be meaningful. When you do get meaningful dashboards and then couple it with AI so you can start asking questions about the meaningful dashboards, that's when your power comes in. And, that's why having quality data in your core systems is really important, and making sure that you're not just putting a lot of nonsense in there. Because if you're going to base decisions on what AI is telling you on bad data, that's not a good place to be.